Tired of worrying whether your music is still available because of payment issues with DistroKid? Hey everyone, in this super quick tutorial, I'm going to break down exactly how to set up or manage your monthly payment on DistroKid, guaranteeing your music stays live and accessible. First things first, head over to the DistroKid website and log into your account. Once logged in, look for your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. In this menu, you will see Account. Select it and it will take you to the Account Settings page where you can change your display name, email, or member name. On the Settings page, look for the Membership tab and select it. You'll see your current membership type and payment details. Now, to manage your monthly payments, find the Update Payment Method or Change Payment Method option. The wording might vary slightly, but it should be pretty clear. Click here. This will bring you to a secure page where you can enter your credit or debit card information. Make sure all the details are accurate, especially your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Double-check everything to avoid any issues. Once you've entered all the correct details, click the Save Changes button or similar labeled button to update your payment information. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment method has been updated successfully, and that's it. You've successfully set up or managed your DistroKid monthly payment. No more stressing about your music disappearing. Now go back to perfecting your music and sharing it with the world. Knowing your DistroKid payments are sorted, good luck and keep creating.